Do you prefer a shy man or a confident man?
You can't approach them sometimes because they are too shy.
NBSB, no boyfriend since birth. How long have you been single?
Single mom.
You're single mom. How many kids do you have?
9. I wanna try shy man.
Mary Jane is a shy type person, so she likes to have. Hi! Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, we are going to interview beautiful Filipinas from Goa, Bicol, Philippines, and we are going to ask them, do they prefer a shy man or a confident man? Well, we are going to find out, guys. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
Mary Jane de la Vega.
Mary Jane
De la Vega.
De La Vega. Nice to meet you, Mary Jane. How old are you?
22 years old
22
po.
years old. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single po.
Since we're
And
that's beautiful. NBSB, no boyfriend since birth. Okay. Are you still studying?
Yes.
You're in college, right?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
BSOA po.
What is that?
Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
Office administration. And what year are you now?
Fourth year.
Graduating. Wow, that's very beautiful. Impressive. Okay, well anyway, advance congratulations. I'm happy for you. Okay. Here is the question, Mary Jane. Do you prefer a shy man or a confident man?
Confident man.
Why confident man?
Because yun ang po, shy
okay.
ako.
Huh?
Shy po. Shy type po akong tao. Siyempre, kayo po ako na po is confident para balance po.
Balance. So it's because Mary Jane is a shy type person, so she likes to have a confident man as a partner to balance, right? Okay, to balance shy and confident. Well, that's good. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Mary Jane. Are you looking for a serious relationship now?
Yes.
Mom, what is your name?
Laurelin Poderes.
Laurelin. How old are you?
I'm 31.
31. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
Single. Okay. Mahiling kita. So, okay. So, Ma'am Laurelin is single. How long have you been single po, Ma'am?
A year.
A year?
Yeah.
You're still, are you studying or you're working?
Studying.
Studying. Wow.
Yeah.
And what course are you taking?
Midwifery.
And what year are you now?
Second year.
Second year.
Yeah.
2 more years, right?
Yeah, it's just 2 years.
2 years. Oh,
yeah.
so you're graduating.
Yeah.
Wow.
This year.
That's beautiful.
Coming
Well,
year.
well, advance congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Here is the question, Ma'am Laurelin. Do you prefer a shy man or a confident man?
Well, I prefer a confident man, maybe because he can they are so responsible for their actions. But I'm not saying that all of the boys that who are confident are good to choose, or maybe it depends on their confidence, because other boys are too overconfident. They become boastful, so I prefer confident, just the right confidence. Yes. Being confident, I can trust him, or I can look for him than the shy type, higher than the shy type, because the shy type boys you can't approach them sometimes because they are too shy.
So they don't have voice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Mom, are you looking for a serious relationship right now?
Well, of course, yes. It's a big yes, because maybe all women, all of us, we were looking for the real one, not those kind of short-term relationship.
What's your name po?
Asra.
Asra. That's a
Delivery.
unique name, Asra. Nice to meet you po, ma'am. How old are you, ma'am?
22?
22. Oh, you're classmates, right?
Yes.
And friends. Yes. Are you in a relationship or you're single too?
Single.
We're in a relationship.
Both of you are. They're friends.
Friendship.
Yes. Okay. How long have you been single?
Months?
Months. Oh. Do you prefer a shy man or a confident man?
Pwede ba? Shy man.
Shy man. Why?
Because
There's so many man that they are confident their self. But for me, shy man, siguro, it depends in situation.
Oh, it depends on the situation. Okay.
Uh, and also, I want to experience shy man because most of the man that I know is they're confident themselves.
To them. Okay.
Mm. So that I wanna try shy man.
Is your like past relationships, are they confident, or are they confident too, just like the men that you knew?
No.
No.
Overconfident.
Overconfident. That's why you prefer now shy man.
Yes.
What is your name po?
My name is Pamela Mejia.
Pamela Mejia.
Yes.
How old are you, Ate Pamela?
44.
44 years old.
Yes.
Wow. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single mom.
You're single mom. How many kids do you have?
9.
9 kids. And how old is the youngest kid of yours?
5 years old.
5 years old. Wow. Okay, so are all your kids studying?
Yes.
Yes, they're all studying. May we know, Ate Pamela, what's your job?
Salon.
Salon.
Beautician.
Beautician. She's working here at salon as a beautician. Okay. Ate Pamela, here is the question. Do you prefer a shy man or a confident man?
Confident man.
Why confident man, Ate Pamela?
Mas maganda siguro pag hindi nahihiya dahil gusto ko, kaparehas ko rin na kalog itong ma-joke here.
So she wants someone that is just like her, right?
Yes.
Like they could, because Ate Pamela, she likes to do jokes like that. So she likes someone like her too, right? The personality, right?
Yes.
Okay, well that's a very beautiful answer, Ate Pamela. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ate Pamela, are you looking for a serious relationship right now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And how long have you been single, Ate?
3 years.
3 years. Okay. So, okay. Thank you so much, Ate Pamela.